The Amazon rainforest, frequently dubbed the lungs of the earth, covers a glorious 5.5 million square kilometers. Spanning across 9 countries, this vast biome is home to millions of species of plants and animals, many still unknown to science. The Amazon performs an invaluable global role by absorbing immense amounts of carbon dioxide. But what if, one day, this vibrant paradise were to vanish entirely? Let's dive into a world where the Amazon rainforest ceases to exist. Imagine all the trees reduced to stumps, the relentless hum of machines clearing the dense canopy. First, consider the immediate impact on global carbon levels. The Amazon alone contributes to absorbing approximately 2 billion tons of CO2 annually. Without this crucial buffer, the surplus carbon would rapidly accumulate in the atmosphere. The effects of increased CO2 would not be localized, they'd ripple across the globe. Higher carbon levels exacerbate the greenhouse effect, accelerating climate change and driving global temperatures upward. With the balance tipped ever further, we'd witness more frequent and severe weather events, from hurricanes in the Atlantic to monsoon disturbances in Asia. Increased flooding, droughts, and wildfires would become new norms, testing our resilience and taxing global economies. But the situation is more dire than freak weather patterns. The disappearance of the Amazon would decimate a plethora of delicate ecosystems. Home to about 10% of known species, the rainforest's loss would trigger a cataclysmic collapse in biodiversity. Animals, bugs, birds, and the endless species of flora adapted to life in this unique environment would face extinction. Those that survive would struggle to find new habitats, creating a domino effect of extinction that could ripple across continents. The impact on indigenous communities, who have lived harmoniously with the forest for centuries, would be nothing short of catastrophic. Stripped of resources crucial for sustenance and culture, entire ways of life would be forced into sudden change or oblivion. As the forest disappears, so too would the invaluable traditional knowledge these communities hold about medicinal plants and sustainable habits that the modern world has yet to grasp fully. Moreover, the global economy would take a massive hit. The Amazon is a significant reservoir of not only ecological wealth, but also economic potential. The forest's natural resources, ranging from timber to medicinal plants, contribute billions to local and global markets. The disappearance would ripple through industries reliant on these resources, leading to surging prices and scarcity. In loss, there is always a sliver of hope and opportunity for a rebound. If humanity can rally, these consequences might be the wake-up call needed to foster innovation and commitment to restoration. Technological advancements might offer partial solutions, such as the creation of carbon capture plants or large-scale reforestation projects in deforested areas. However, these would be monumental undertakings requiring global cooperation and dedication on unprecedented scales. More importantly, this scenario could cultivate a broader, more urgent recognition of our planet's fragility and the intrinsic value of natural ecosystems. A world without the Amazon might catalyze strong movements away from destructive behaviors, prompting sustainable practices everywhere. Ultimately, avoiding this grim future is paramount. Preserving the Amazon is not just a responsibility, it is a necessity for maintaining life as we know it on Earth. In embracing conservation and sustainability, we choose to protect not just a forest, but the intricate web of life interconnected with our own. We choose to preserve the rich, life-sustaining tapestry of the Amazon for today, tomorrow, and generations to come.